Today, we're going to learn how to tie a clove hitch. First, you need a pole and a rope. So, with the rope, you have to make 2 rounds around the pole in an X formation. First, make 1 round around the pole like this, and then cross it over the original rope, and then make another round, just like this. Make sure that the back ropes do not overlap here. Now, with the end of the rope, get a little space between the X, and then thread the rope through. Now that it's through, you can tighten it, just like this. And there you have a clove hitch. Make sure that the rope that goes through the X do not overlap with the above rope, as this will reduce the tightness. Another way that you can tie the clove hitch is with 2 loops. First, make one loop with the end on top, and then make another rope loop along the further along the line with also the end on top. Then put the one on the right over the one on the left. Now put the pole through and pull, and there's your clove hitch.